I want to save the day. I love to restore things and bring them back to life. This is my restorative talent, my love of problem solving. It doesn't matter whether it's a practical, conceptual, or personal problem. Throw them at me, I'm ready. And the more complex, the better. I love a good crisis, when I can close a loop, restore order, clean up a mess. While others may place the problem in the too hard box, I gravitate towards the challenge. I'm the person who will mend the cracks and fix the issues before a project or process breaks. I'm at my very best when I'm bringing a solution mindset to daily challenges. I like to push past surface level symptoms to find the root cause of problems. I don't want my solutions to just be a stopgap. I want them to last. I'm energized to both fix and improve things. I sometimes think it's like being a chiropractor. All it takes is a small adjustment and the most painful situation can be fixed. I am very patient. I know things can take time to improve. I keep my eye on the goal and determine progress by noticing milestones that are achieved. I never get fixated on a fix because nothing is ever black and white. I've learned to become friends with the grey areas. I naturally troubleshoot when needed, and I find this helps me increase efficiencies and often reach the goal sooner. I bring back what is off track so we can move forward. I do, however, have the tendency to jump in and rescue others when they are dealing with problems. I go into fix-it mode and take over. Sometimes people just need a chance to find their own answers. More often than not, they learn more from the problems they face and solve themselves. I can also be overly critical because it's in my DNA to see what is wrong or broken. At times I can overlook what is actually right or working. I remind myself to take a balanced approach when providing feedback, insights, or guidance. My restorative talent brings a solution-focused mindset to daily problems. You can count on me to untangle a mess, fix what's broken, and lean into problems when others might lean out.